her life. But now she is heading out over Lake Erie, which is 100 miles across. This is just the first leg of one of the world's greatest animal migrations. She will continue south, using the sun as a compass, to cross America, a journey of 2,000 miles. Her destination is Mexico, and one small and special group of trees. No one knows how she finds them in these great mountain forests. She joins other monarch butterflies that have travelled here from all over North America. Countless butterflies crowd these particular trees, hanging from every branch. They come here because although winter brings a chill to the air, there will not be a lethal freeze as there will in Canada. The conditions are perfect for hibernation. Hibernating butterflies are vulnerable to predators, but monarchs are poisonous. However, a few birds have learned to rip out the toxic parts and eat the rest. They kill hundreds of thousands of butterflies and dislodge many more. Those that fall must get back into the trees before nightfall brings another killer. They vibrate their wings to warm their flight muscles, but it's a race against time. Night brings a lethal ground frost.